If we continue to advance in our study of electromagnetism, we will discover that at every point in space, where there is an electric field, there is energy. This energy has a volumetric density equal to 1/2 times the permittivity of the medium, multiplied by the square of the electric field intensity at that point. But where does come from that energy if the electrostatic field is conservative, and energy cannot be added or subtracted? To answer this question, I searched the internet and also consulted Choquette. The answer was always the same. Classical electromagnetism doesn't address this topic, quantum electrodynamics does. As I investigated this theory further, what I came to understand is that quantum electrodynamics, the famous KED, doesn't explain what the electric field itself is. What it does is describe how interactions between charged particles occur, and it does so through a mathematical tool, the virtual photon. This virtual photon is not a real particle. It appears suddenly, drawing energy from its surroundings. It can take any energy value, even infinite, and its existence is so brief that it cannot be directly detected. Yet, it plays a central role in calculations, allowing us to accurately predict how charges behave when they interact with each other. I don't doubt the validity of this theory. The results are clear to see. Thanks to it, science and technology have advanced in extraordinary ways. But, in my opinion, we don't live in a virtual world or a hologram. We live in a concrete reality. If I walk with my eyes closed and bump into a plant, I don't need to see it to know it's there. The bump confirms it. So, if everything that happens in the universe is by virtual entities explained, which appear randomly and without any specific cause, wouldn't it be necessary for someone to control them one by one for everything to work so precisely? That would be like having all the time someone manually adjust every part of the mechanism. But when an engineer designs a complex system, they don't constantly correct it. They think of regulation and feedback mechanisms that keep it stable on its own. If there's an intelligence behind everything, which I call God, I don't imagine it has to intervene in every interaction to ensure the correct virtual photon appears. Therefore, I believe there must be a simpler, more realistic explanation, one more consistent with the physical world we know. With this concern as a guide, I decided to review some fundamental concepts of electromagnetism that often are presented without a clear origin explanation.